So let's take a look at how you actually insert the disc on your PlayStation 5. Now, this should be pretty straightforward if you have the PlayStation 5 laying horizontally, because throughout history, the way you would put a disc in is always label up and data side down. So it's pretty easy to know how that goes when you actually have the PlayStation 5 in a horizontal position. But if you have your PlayStation 5 vertically, you have to keep that in mind, that the area where the disk drive is actually the bottom of the console. Unfortunately, it can be confusing because the meat of the console is below the drive, not toward the side of it. So you would think that, oh, put the label side this way and everything will be good. You don't want to do that. In this case, what you want to do is you just want to insert the disk data side to the outside, label side to the inside. And there you go. This also happens to be the first time I'm actually putting a disc in my PlayStation 5. So let's see what pops up here. So if you look over here, it says Control PS4. This is a PS4 game, and it is copying the disc to the SSD. So I am going to let it do what it's doing, because there's one piece of DLC that I have yet to play on Control, and I'm going to play it on my PlayStation 5. So that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. If you like what you see, please subscribe. And as always, if you want to help out this channel, you can give me a thumbs up. You can share this video on your favorite social media, or you can actually join my Patreon, all of which is greatly appreciated. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.